What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and I have a package from N NIU. They were kind enough to send me out this beyond safe, beyond fast power bank. This is 1,000 watts, 25,000 milliamp battery. This is their, I will drop the right one in the link, but so far this is what the box looks like. It says it has a 3-year warranty. It just says power bank. This is one of their new variants, and I want to say thank you to this company because I never worked with them before. They reached out to me and was like, we think your um, content fits what we're trying to do, so they wanted to send me out a power. They asked me would I be willing to review one of their power banks, and of course I said yes, because I have a lot of things that I charge up, and why not? So I butchered that box, so I'm gonna put this over here for now. You do get a nice carrying pouch here. It's like mesh that you can stick your power bank in. Man, this is a thick boy. That one I showed you guys, I'm sorry, that is not the right one. I'll try to find this one. This one may not be on their website yet because this is new. But man, this is a thick boy. As you can see, that's a big boy. It says INIU. It just says fast charging power bank designed by their brand. Over here, you do get your power button. Hold on, you get your power button at the top right there. So we could cut it off. Let's see if it has any juice. Any juice. I think it's dead. Let's see here. But anyways, that's your power button. Nope, it's not dead. Right now, it's at 46%. I like that because it will display the charging percent right there. This will take 2 USB type C ports and 1 USB port, so I can charge up to 3 devices, and it also comes with the USB to USB cable. So right now we're just going to plug in uh, a USB port, and right now I'm currently charging this up. But if we don't want to do that, you can also get you one of these USB-C to USB-C cables like what I have here, and plug up your devices. So pretty much you just plug this in here like so, and then I could plug it up to my Vivo phone, and just like that, it is charging that. This is the 100 watt charge. This is really for the 100 watt chargers for your laptops and tablets. This 45 watt charge, and then you also get an 18 watt charge. So it is currently charging up my Vivo smartphone. Let's do my tablet, just so you can see that you can charge up to 3 devices. Tablet. So remember, it takes 2 USB-C charges right here. So let's see. Now it's charging up my Samsung tablet. And then you can also take something that's USB. You have to take something that's USB and plug it in. So let's take my iPhone 16 Pro Max and then plug it in like so. And just like that, it is currently charging all 3 of these devices at the exact same time. That there is nice. I like that. This is nice. Of course, you can charge this up to keep it charged, and it's currently charging. This is charging the devices, but it's also charging this up at the same time. So this is currently at 45%. Man, this is nice, but this is thick though. This is thick, but it's nice. And if you want to travel with this, all you have to do is unplug it just like that. You can cut it cut it off like this, and then you can just stick it right into your pouch that they give you, just like that. Close it up, drop this in your backpack, drop this in your purse, and you're good to go. Just make sure that you always have this charged up, and make sure you have cables to use to charge this. But overall, this is a nice little product, and I'm gonna enjoy this USB charging cable product, because like I said, you can never have enough power banks. And the fact that this has a little screen that shows me how much it is charging to, that is nice. Too bad it's not interactive, but this is a nice little touch that they have here. And this is all the plugs, so you get 100, 25, and 18 watts. So if you charge in using USB to USB-C, you're only getting 18 watts, which is not bad. When you charge out using the second the USB-C to USB, you're getting 45 watts. And then if you use the first outlet, that is the 100 watts. But like I said, this is usually for the 100 watt is really for laptops, computers, things that have to take up more power. The middle could be for a smartphone, and the last one could be like maybe for some earbuds or a smartwatch. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will make sure I drop a link in the description. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.